Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D250 XS Edition, finished in silicon silver metallic paint with 20-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the rear bumper we have the fixed tow bar. Entering now into the rear of the cabin, we can see the load space with the 40-20-40 rear folding seats. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside. And looking down, we have the Ebony Grained Leather seats with centre armrest, ice-fixed child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents and USB sockets. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, as we turn in to view the heated and cooled electric front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel. We have the cruise control with the heated steering wheel button as well. The interactive driver display with satellite navigation. And the hands-free mobile controls. On the dash display we can see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have the heated and cooled front seat controls. And the 3D surround camera display with towing assist. And on the centre console we have the climate controls with the right-out buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.